Hello everyone. Next today, which we are going to discuss topic is basically based on the logic gates. Okay, so we have different types of logic gates. As you all know, they are basically very important part of digital logic circuits. Okay, even in the vending machines, which basically are installed on the airports. फिर उसके अलावा जितनी भी आपके पास आपने देखा होगा कि जो आपकी सिग्नल्स होती हैं, से लाइट सिग्नल्स, ठीक है, वहाँ पे आपकी जो लाइटिंग होती है रेड ग्रीन और येलो, उसकी जो कंट्रोलिंग है, that is also basically done with the help of logic gates. क्लियर? सो इसमें आपकी जो इनपुट है वो सिर्फ दो फॉर्म्स आती है, जीरो की फॉर्म है या फिर वन की फॉर्म में. क्लियर? आपकी जो इनपुट है या तो जीरो होगी या फिर वो वन होगी, उसी को जो आपके लॉजिक सर्किट से वो रीड करते हैं. क्लियर? सो वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट द फाइव बेसिक गेट्स व्हिच और एंड नॉट गेट. क्लियर? जिनको हम क्या बोलते हैं, बेसिक गेट्स. उसके अलावा जो नॉर और एंड है, which are combination of nor and not and not, they are basically known as universal gates. Clear? So पांच तरह के गेट्स हम डिस्कस कर रहे हैं. तो इसको ड्राइव करने से पहले जो फर्स्ट चीज होती है मेन, वो क्या होती है, इसमें इसका बूलियन एक्सप्रेशन. तो आपके पास कोई इनपुट आ रही है, in which form we can represent it. So जो फर्स्ट चीज है, that is input. So we have two inputs here, A and B. And what is our output? For the OR gate, output Y will be equal to A plus B. Clear? And for the AND gate, it is basically multiplication of both. Clear? So please bear into mind कि जब भी आप और बोलोगे, it means वो addition होगा. AND gate में आपका क्या होगा, multiplication होगा. A into B, that is a Y. Then we have NOT gate. Clear? NOT gate basically क्या होता है, इसमें जो भी आप इनपुट दे रहे हो उसकी जो उल्टा है वो आपको एज ए आउटपुट मिलेगा. मैंने सिंपली शो करा है कि मेरी ए इनपुट है, तो आपका जो आउटपुट आएगी भाई वो क्या आएगा, इट इज ए बार, दैट इज ऑपोजिट ऑफ ए. क्लियर? एंड थर्ड वन इज फिफ्थ वन इज कॉल्ड नोर गेट, व्हिच आर आल्सो नोन एज यूनिवर्सल गेट. तो नोर गेट बेसिकली क्या है, इट इज द कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ और एंड नॉट. सो फर्स्ट सिंबल जो है दैट इज द सिंबल ऑफ और गेट. उसी सिंबल के आगे आपने नॉट गेट का जो सर्कल था वो ड्रॉ किया हुआ है. इट मींस इट इज अ कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ or and not gate, that is called NOR gate. Clear? तो आपके पास इसकी जो आउटपुट आएगी वो क्या आएगी, what is the output of A? It is A plus B, but it is of OR gate. For NOT it is A plus B bar. Clear? उसका ऑपोजिट आएगा A plus B का, जो भी आपको आउटपुट मिलेगा. लास्ट में क्या है, AND gate. So if we talk about AND gate, it is combination of and not. So what is the output of and? It is A into B. So the output will be equal to Y, that is A into B. Now not is also involved, so it will be basically A into B bar, that is the output, and this is basically equal to Y. So Y basically represents the output of it. So if this is the basic symbol of all the gates, section basically is Boolean expression. So for the first one, OR gate, Y basically is equals to A plus B. For AND gate it is A dot B. For NOT gate it is basically A bar. For NOR gate it is basically OR, that is A plus B bar. And for AND gate it is A dot B bar. Clear? So the three things which are very important is truth table, Boolean expression, and the symbol of it. Okay. So we are done with the symbol. We are done with the Boolean expression of it. Okay. And last one is called truth table. So if we talk about it, first of all, the OR gate, how many combinations of input are possible? That basically depends upon the number of inputs we are having. For example, let us suppose here I have two inputs. So the formula to get how many combinations are going to be there, it is basically 2 raised to power n. So 2 raised to power n basically is number of inputs. That is 2 here. It means equals to 4. It means if we have 2 inputs, we are going to get 4 different types of combinations of input. So for A and B, it can be 0 and 1. It can be 1 and 0. It can be 0 and 0, or it can be 1 and 1. So it is basically A plus B. So 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1, 0 plus 0 is 0, 1 into 1 is and 1. So y basically will be equal to here a plus b. That is the truth table of OR gate. Addition of both a as well as b. Now, if we talk about the second one, that is called AND gate. It is basically multiplication of the both a dot b. So combinations, two inputs, four combinations are there. It can be 0 0, 1 0, 0 1, 1 1. Clear? So a into b, y basically is a into b. 0 into 0 is 0, 1 into 0 is 0, 0 into 1 is also 0, and 1 into 1 is basically 1. So this is the truth table of AND gate. Clear? Now for the NOT gate, we are only having one input. So there will be two combinations. A can be 0 or it can be 1. If A is 0, Y is A bar. It will be output will be 1. If input is 1, output will be 0. So it is just a simple case of NOT gate where output basically will be reverse of the input. If it is 1, it is 0. If it is 0, it is 1. Clear? So these are basic three gates which are also known as basic gates. Then we will talk about the universal gates. So first is OR gate. Two inputs are there. Same thing, four combinations. Here that is 0 1, 1 0, 0 0, 1 1. Clear? What is the value of y? It is a plus b bar. So we will initially find value of a plus b. That is a simple formula for a plus b. Clear? So 0 1, 1 0, 0 0, 1 1. You can compare it. What is the value of y? 1 1 0 1. But what we are trying to find? We are trying to find a plus b bar. So that will be reverse of this thing. इसका उल्टा आएगा वो. जहाँ पे आपके पास 1 है, तो इसका बार निकालोगे, वो क्या आ जाएगा 0. क्लियर? तो 1 का बार 0, 0 का बार 1. So अगर मैं यहाँ पे देखूँ a plus b, 0 plus 1 is 1, उसका बार क्या आ जाएगा 0. 1 plus 0 is 1, a plus b, उसका बार क्या आ जाएगा 0. 0 0 is 0, bar is 1. 1 plus 1 is 1, but the bar is 0. That is the fourth combination of NOR gate, which is also known as universal gate. Clear? This is the truth table. And for the last one, that is called AND table. Again, number of inputs 0 0, 1 0, 0 1, 1 1. And what is the output? It is A dot B bar. So first try to find the value of A dot B, then its bar. A dot B basically means multiplication only. Okay. So 0 into 0 is 0. Its bar is basically 1. 1 into 0 is 0. Its complement bar is 1. 1 into 0 is again 0, but its complement is 1. 1 into 1 is 1, but its bar is basically 0. Clear? So basically we can say the NOR gate and the AND gate, their output will be basically reverse of OR and AND gate. Here we have 1 1, 0 1. It is basically 0 0, 1 0. So wherever we have 1 in the OR gate, it will be 0 in the NOR gate. 0 0 1. And also for the AND gate, in the AND gate, wherever we are having the output 1, it will be 0 in case of NAND. For example, we have 1 when we have 1 1 only. Here it is 0. So all other three we have 0, but here we are going to have 1. So these are the main logic gates which are really very important from numerical point of view. Here, so we have OR and NOR and NAND gate. That's all for today. In the next lecture, we will discuss about the exclusive OR and exclusive NOR gate also, which are also basically part of logic gates. Clear? Till then, please subscribe my channel, that is Technoreceptor. If you need more videos from me, the link for the videos is given in the description. Thank you very much.